Hello everyone, in this video we have this interesting problem. We have x into 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power negative x, and this is equal to 17 over 2. And we have to solve this problem analytically. But before we begin, as always, pause the video and try first. And if you are new here, consider subscribed and also don't forget to like this video. Now let's get started. We have x into 2 to the power x plus. Now I'm going to write this 2 to the power negative x as 1 over 2 to the power x. And this is equal to, now I'll write this 17 over 2 as 16 over 2 plus 1 over 2. Because if you sum this whole thing, you are still getting 17 over 2. Great. Now I'll copy this down. We have x into 2 to the power x plus 1 over 2 to the power x, and this is equal to 16 over 2 is 8, then plus 1 over 2. Great. Now I will still copy this down. We have x into 2 to the power x plus 1 over 2 to the power x, and this is equal to 8 could be written as 2 to the third power, then plus 1 over 2. Great. Now considering the right hand side, you can see we can factor 2 out, right? So we have 2 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 over 2 to the power 2. Then we have the left hand side to be x into 2 to the power x plus 1 over 2 to the power x. And now by comparing, you can see that this x is the same as this 2 over here. Then this 2 to the power x is the same as 2 to the power 2 here. Then this whole thing is the same as what is here. Okay, so straight away you can see that x is equal to 2. And this is our final answer. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day and see you again on the next video.